Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel Green Dreams. Hope you all like my all previous videos and you like this video. In this video I will share the ideas of a nest or the house of the birds. In this video you can see different designs or different ideas of bird's house or nest. The birds are become shelterless if we don't care about their shelter and their food. Some birds are very uh, sensitive. They cannot bear the warm clouds and the summer season because they are very sensitive and they need a sheltered home. If we will not provide them shelter or a nest, they cannot survive, they will die quickly. So it is needed or it is essential for the survival of the birds to make the nest. Uh, if these nests are in different, unique, and beautiful design, then it will not just a nest or a shelter for the birds. It will become a decoration piece for your garden and enhance the beauty of your garden. In this video you can see there are a lot of designs that are much beautiful. They are just looking like decoration piece for your garden. Okay guys, hope you like these ideas that I shared with you. If you like these ideas, even one idea from these ideas, so don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to press bell icon for the notification of more videos. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much. Bye bye.